Nail biting. She couldn't break her habit of biting her nails when she was nervous. Procrastination. He had a bad habit of leaving his assignments until the last minute. Smoking. Despite knowing the risks, he couldn't kick his habit of smoking cigarettes. Overeating. She indulged her habit of overeating whenever she felt stress. Gossiping. They couldn't resist the habit of gossiping about their coworkers. Interrupting. He had a habit of interrupting others when they were speaking. Swearing. She had picked up the bad habit of swearing from hanging out with her friends. Oversleeping. His habit of oversleeping made him late for work almost every day. Skipping meals. She had developed the bad habit of skipping meals when she was busy. Binge watching TV. Spending hours binge watching TV shows had become a habit for him. Mindless scrolling. Checking social media had turned into a habit that wasted hours of her day. Nose picking. He had a habit of picking his nose, much to the disgust of those around him. Overspending. Her habit of overspending left her constantly struggling with debt. Ignoring emails. Ignoring emails had become a habit, causing him to miss important messages. Playing video games excessively. He couldn't break his habit of playing video games for hours on end. Being late. His habit of being late annoyed everyone around him. Negative thinking. Negative thinking had become a habit that affected her outlook on life. Being pessimistic. He had a habit of always expecting the worst in any. Biting pen caps. Biting pen caps was a habit she couldn't seem to quit. Being judgmental. Being judgmental had become a habit that strained her relationships. Skipping exercise. Skipping exercise had become a habit that negatively impacted his health. Over apologizing. Over apologizing had become a habit that undermined her confidence. Nagging. Nagging had become a habit that strained their marriage. Interrupting conversations. Interrupting conversations had become a habit that annoyed his friends. Overthinking. Overthinking had become a habit that paralyzed her decision-making. Being passive-aggressive. Being passive-aggressive had become a habit that poisoned their interactions. Binge-eating junk food. Binge-eating junk food had become a habit that affected his weight and health. Being forgetful. Being forgetful had become a habit that caused him to miss appointments. Thanks for watching, and subscribe us for more Only English vocabulary.